So in this video we are going to discuss what is the best WordPress page builder as of 2019. So guys, let's begin. For me, if you're new here, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online business. So please consider subscribing right now. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So as per Google, if you search what is the best WordPress page builder, it comes Beaver Builder, Divi Builder, Themify Builder. So for me, it's gonna be Elementor. So as you could see, I've installed Elementor. So currently I'm gonna edit with Elementor. So if I go over here, Elementor, so currently it's a paid plugin, but you can use it for free. So the professional version is $49 per year, but currently I'm using the free version. So but even the free version is really good. So if I want to add a heading, I can add over here. If I want to go back to inner section, you can add over here. You can do a lot of things from here. And even the best thing about it is there are pre-made layouts. So what I can do is I could just click on this folder, and some of them are free, some of them are, so if you see pro over here, that means it's paid, but then some of them are free. So if I'm gonna click over here, insert, and then see, as you could see, now this is the website and looks really good, and it's mobile responsive as well, but then some of the icons are missing, which you could change. But for me, this is the first one. So for me, Elementor is really good. Elementor comes #1 on the list, and I have a lot of videos on how you could create a website with Elementor. So you could go and check out. And then the next thing for me would be Divi theme. So currently right now I'm using Divi theme on this website. So this is Divi theme. Again, Divi theme is $89. So if I just search elegant, so it's by Elegant Themes. So the best thing about this thing is Elegant Themes is if I go on pricing, so basically for $89 per year, you can get Divi extra, a lot of plugins as well as themes. So basically inside Divi theme, so if I click on Divi, so this is a theme. So inside the theme you get the visual builder. So as you could see, there are a lot of things you could do. You can transform, you can find and replace. So for me, I've installed Divi theme. Again, it's very easy to use. Click over here, enable visual builder. Again, they have pre-made layouts as well. So if I want to delete, if I want to add something, you can just click add. So there are a lot of pre-made layouts. So as you could see, so this is paid. So I've already paid for this. I have a 20% discount on this, so the link is down below. So there are a lot of, so if I want to install this website, so I could see the live demo. So I could get this exact website, because I've paid for it around $60. So if you want discount, you can use it, but this is a really good plugin, and the theme is really good. Currently on my website yavarkhan.com, I use Divi theme, and this is really good. See, as you could see, I use Divi theme and it's really good. It's a drag and drop builder, really easy. So guys, so for me the first one is Elementor, but then the second one is Divi theme. Both are really good. As of 2019 November, these are the best page builders, and I have created a tutorial on both, how to create WordPress website with Divi theme as well as Elementor. Check it out on my channel. And also a free bonus, as I told you. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, step-by-step instructions. And also I tell you how you could make money selling websites to others, and creating a website is really easy, guys. So I'm going to tell you the best SEO practices, the best hosting, everything is in that course. And I'm going to also tell you how you could make more money selling website to others. I hope you really like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.